Never lie.
What happened?
Definitely, man. Yo, no, Anna in a fuck.
Who? The people in comments?
No, Anna in a fuck you.
Trust me. Baby, take the filter off.
Duty, big up.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, take that filter off though.
Bad man. Listen to me. Don't work on program, my youth. Me tell you now already. It's if I want to feel like when I program it, I jump same time. And I don't tell them off of them.
You good? Jay, you can hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you not gonna take out the filter or what? When that's just you.
Yeah.
Tough. I read it. Anyways, you miss me, I miss you. You hear what I said?
Miss at all.
Oh, I thought so.
Say if me tell you something. Say if I play the match, you play the match.
What match? What match?
Yeah, just play the match, bro.
With who?
With me.
You right? What happened? Why did you jump?
Yeah, I said me set you up. So you forget gift. Me not like that.
Okay, no. You said it, before I said it.
Me say what?
Okay, we're not gonna go into that because it's past gone. You understand? We're not doing it here. You understand that? We're not doing it here.
Me I tell you say.
Wait, no?
Me I tell you say. If you play the match, bro, you play the match, bro.
Okay, so let's play the match with me and you. Forget the other match.
Stop talking about setup and you forget gift, bro. Don't do that.
No, we're not doing that.
That's it. Cause that the thing that me not like that, bro.
Me either, though. Baby, relax, cause we're not. I never said that. Stop listening to the comments, cause that's where you got it from.
Stop telling me about bro. Stop telling me about a comment me got it from the bro.
Okay, hold on. We had a private conversation.
Watch on. I'm do my live in peace. I that one.
No, you can do your live in peace.
Live, bro. I me do my thing. You see it. Simple as that, bro. Yeah, simple. No problem. You do your live and me do my live, bro. I just that one do. Me come to entertain, bro.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, we can talk in person or on the phone.
Right.
Yeah. Alright, later. See, bro, that's what I know, bro. That's what I don't want to do in live, bro. You see it? That's what I don't want to do in live, bro. Cause, see that, bro, when I come tell me about she a cry, whatever. Bro, me not like that, bro. No, man, I'm a comment now, bro. And stop upset me, no, dog. And stop broke my vibes, bro. Me not act like no victim, brother. Go suck out to no mother. And come out of my thing, bro. Come out of my thing, brother. And stop going, cause I don't want to run my show, brother. I run my show. Any girl not like that, go on, brother. Simple as that, dog. I don't feel like I don't want to run my show, dog. You see? It's simple as that, in a bro. Stop going like I don't want to run my show, dog. Straight up, bro. Okay, done now, no. I can't done now, bro. Me run my show, bro. I know. Uno can't talk, uno want talk, bro. Uno go still see me now, bro.
Jay, TJ, I call him. They are party with Alda. He's live right now. Him say turn on your request. So add him.
Open relationship, them Dana. It's called trust. No, sir. The relationship, they off it open. Or cover up. Or my fish. Something. Me no find out nothing yet. You see it? Me have to go around him look more to find out. You see it? Cause me have to find out something, you know. My chance this to get Maya no. I wonder if TJ a fish. I wonder if it's an open relationship or go on, yes sir. Something me not understand. But now I come talk, boy. It's called trust. TJ go out every night, you know. Something not right. And let me tell you something. I know someone who gone over Rose live. I know someone who gone over Rose live because I'm soon over there. Him a treat, me not like how him treat you. I wouldn't stay in that. I wouldn't stay in that. Stay in that. I would. I wish I did. And if me and Rose if you left right now, una go over our life for a while. And then una go move on. Una go over our life. Una go make you feel like say. Una go. Let me tell you, so when do them thing there, bro. Una go make you feel like say yes. She have her own people in, so she can go now. You see. And when she go, bro, una go over my life same way, bro. This happen countless a time. Not telling me how to deal my wife. All fine man gear. Don't tell me how to deal my wife, youth. Don't tell me how to deal with my wife, bro. And me I tell you, bro. As bad as you know over there want comment, bro. No one comment. As mad as you know want comment over there, bro. If me say don't come live, she not gonna come live, bro. She tell me when she go live. And if me say don't come live, she not come live. She listen. And all who pray about this about controlling. I don't give a fuck. Me like what me like, bro, and then I change, bro. So if you not, if you not do what me like, bro, go on the wheels, bro. It's not called control. It's called respect. Want her for rough. Want her for tell about the mother anytime I no come on the scream on this her. You hear that? Want her for militant. Want her for not be too friendly. She can't come on yes up. And respect goes both ways. She can't come on yes and do what me do. Them I call her a bitch. I don't see a man. I call her a bitch, bro. Me not friendly in a real life, you. I tell you that. A TJ alone can't call me out of my house. That I make no know, bro. Me build different, dog. She have low self-esteem. And mama right now, if me looking at my DM right now, y'all beg me for something. Most sound the way in I comment that talk about she have what do me? Pussy. Me have my money, you know. All if you know I say me crying in a boy, me have my money, you know. So do I really need her? No. I don't need no woman, bro. Me I talk overall, bro. Me don't need no woman. Me just talk overall, bro. Me don't need no woman, bro. Me don't need no man. Just need God. What is money? What do you mean what is money? What do you mean what is money? Money is power. And all I want to say about me rich in life, me have life so me rich. Don't trick yourself. You have life and you're rich, that's a fucking lie. You have life, that is a blessing, of course. But you need money. When you don't have it, you're powerless. But rich in life. Rich where? You're still broke. Everybody need money, bro. And me no want when you go screen record this, you not talk about Jayden and hype and his followers them. Cause not one day. Me never hype and me gift to them, not yet, no time. Me can't hype on some of no low life people, yeah, we in my comment section, bro. We never yet send me a gift, bro. Me I honor me a talk to. Me no want to go make screen record. Jayden hype and him gift to them. Me a talk about uno batty boy in our comment section. Whenever you give me $1. If you don't have no money, dog, you know nobody in your life, bro. Tell me, I tell you that. And the top of them can't go lick out no more. That's why I don't really want other voice, bro. Cause when me talk, it's when me talk, bro. Me's a rough youth, dog. When me talk, bro, me tell you, when me talk, bro, two ways she soft, bro, it go look like say me a talk to her rough, bro. Oh, me grow, dog. I mean, I change it, bro, because of the man. I be the man when me be to the dog. You now go reach far and me don't talk. Me don't reach far already. You can't tap it. Me don't reach far already, youth. You can't tap it, boy. And if you do me something right now, me did don't reach already. Me never broke. Me never did poor. Near mouth your mouth. What you mean me not reach nowhere yet? Of course me reach somewhere. There was a time where I couldn't be talking like this. There was a time where this me never have if you sleep on. There was a time where me could even find $20 to buy a bag juice. So what you mean me not reach nowhere? Of course me reach somewhere, youth. Boy, you know when me I come from zinc fence there, boy! You think it's a boy? Enough man drop on their face, youth, and can't rise up. That me make you know. Enough man drop on their face, youth, and can't rise up all now. You now move, youth. You now move like you that switch up on me, youth. It's like you can't wait for the day come for you can bring me down, brother. You see it? That's why I'm not fancy one in a dog. I'm not fancy one in a youth. I tell them that in a bro. I'm not fancy one in a bro. Cause you will not act, bro. You see, you not act, youth. You now move like someone that switch on me. You see, every time you see that, bro. You see, anytime you see that, bro, we just cut from around mama, youth. Because it's like, you know give me an energy, bro, but I feel like, say, would I want to mash up everything on my bill over one woman, bro. You see it? So you go make people make you left a woman. No, me not make nobody left me. But if I have to choose, bro, I go choose my people them. Me I tell her, bro. I go choose my people them, bro. If I have to choose between, bro, I go choose my people them, bro. You see it? I'm not busy if nobody want fix, dog. I go choose yes, sir, bro. I yes, sir, get me from where me I come from, dog. Not no woman, bro. I'm serious to the day, bro. Me serious to the day, bro. Me serious to the day, bro. Looking at me eye, bro. Me serious to the day, me I tell you, bro. You see it? I over yes, sir, bro. I yes, sir. I just so me can sleep on this. I just so me sleep on this, bro. Yes, so. Me sleep. Me can sleep on this, bro. You see it? Me now figure to me I come from, bro. I doubt me to the youth. I'm not care fuck if somebody wants to say man hate me or whatever, bro. And if a she, Modo, I'ma tell her, bro. If a she, bro, would never tell her to choose me over she job, bro. Would never do that. Would never tell her if you left her job, bro, for come to me, dog. Never. You can't talk about money isn't everything. But money get away you want to go, bro. I tell you that, bro. Bro, me have that conversation already, bro. Soon tell me say she's sad, bro. I don't want to hear them thing there, dog. I don't want to hear them thing there, bro. When me come and work, bro, I just want to work. Sweet to the bone, I know that, bro. Far me I come from, bro. You see it, I'm not move like say over one woman, bro. With that shell done, how far me I come from, dog. Like when that switch up on me, yo. That's why, bro. That's why me not play match with her no more, dog. You see it? Because I don't feel like I don't want to tell them off the debut, bro. You see it? Don't tell them off the youth. And you making much in fake page for the lovely. You making much in fake page for the my life. Me are the problem. Why you follow me? Don't follow me, dog. Don't follow me, youth. I'm gonna lick out your mouth.